Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. All right, I am changing out my Epson 15,000 machine, and I have no idea what I'm doing. So we're gonna do it together for the first time. Yeah, so I got this thing. It prints 13 by 19, and we're gonna make it into a sublimation printer by basically taking the empty tanks and refilling it with sublimation ink. So when you buy this, it comes with these big O things to refill your tanks with printer ink, like standard inkjet ink. But we don't want to do that. We want to take this out and put sublimation ink in, which we're going to be using Cosmos ink, which I haven't even opened this, so I don't even know what it looks like. So it's basically sublimation ink, vacuum packed into plastic and nothing else. Okay, so I'm actually gonna have J-Dog cut this open for me. Thank you. And so I've watched a few people do this, and one of the things they did was like put it in a syringe and put it in there. We're not even gonna do that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use these because they're designed so that when you open this printer and get it set up. How did you do this, Jackie? I can't do it.
You push it all the way down.
I can't. I can't see it.
There you go.
Oh, I did it, but I didn't think I did it. Okay, so basically what you would do if you were just buying this printer as is you would take these guys, and they're set up so that they just plug on here and they fill the tank. But so they're like, the mechanism goes with the hole and it works perfect. There's a lot of signs on here to tell you what not to do. So don't take your printer and flip it upside down. Don't squeeze your bottles. Don't bang your bottles, and don't try to lift these up. I think that's what those mean. So what we want to do is we want to just take the ink out. You're supposed to wear gloves, but I don't have gloves here. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna lift it anyways. Okay, so I'm gonna put the, well, I think it means don't do something else because you have to lift it up to put this in. So I'm just gonna put this in. It's doing nothing. Okay.
Did you take off the stuff from underneath first?
What do you
There's a lid.
Oh. That's why. Okay, so this is literally the easiest thing ever if you know all the things you're supposed to do. That's why I needed you, see?
Oh, don't let me stop you.
Okay,
Right,
so
it's
take
gonna
the
get
little
messy.
plastic thing off, and then I really think these are designed to just fill
The same way.
the same way. Which, why do people take all that extra time and effort to do? Let's make sure we're using, okay, Cosmos ink. We're not using that one. I hear it. Oh, it's filling. Do you see it? Dude, that's so easy. Like, there's no converting. You just literally just put it in.
Yeah.
Okay, it stops. I've seen this. It stops as soon as it's full. Ooh, okay. And then we're gonna just close that. That's it. We literally are just having a video on how to fill up your printer. But hey, if it can make people less scared, then I'm all for it. The hardest part so far has been just getting the lids off of the ink. Yeah, so the only hiccup we've run into so far is the black on the Cosmos ink was not coming out of the lid. So the printer itself came with this big plastic sheet that you're supposed to put the printer in if you want to move it around. I think that's what we figured out what it was for. And we ended up just covering the table with it because I was like, this is gonna be messy. But so far, I haven't even really needed gloves so far. So I'm gonna do the black. I'm telling you guys how to do this, and I have no idea why. It glugs. Look at that, it's so cool. You can just see. I am so excited. I don't understand why people are so afraid to do this, but I think Cosmos ink just makes it super easy because they have the same exact lids pretty much as the Epson. So to convert an Epson, you just literally use Cosmos ink, which is sublimation ink. I think that must be new. I think they're starting a new thing because everybody else had to like dump their ink out. Now I have these for if I want to buy another Epson printer and just use it with HP ink or whatever this is called, inkjet ink, I can just save this for that printer, which I plan to do because the Epsons are really cool. And it's a backloader, so I'm really excited about that because I was worried about trying to work with like huge paper, but it's a backloader, which I can't show you right now because it's open. Okay, so my biggest fear is when it's full, making a mess when it comes out, but just pull it right off. It's just, wow, like, okay. So then we will repeat that with the other two colors. All right, guys, you ready for the cyan? This bottle's a little wonky, but I think it'll be okay. So total time taken to do this, less than 12 minutes. Then you'll just run your printer through the whole process of setting your printer up just like you would if it was a regular printer. And you're ready to print sublimation. There's nothing special you have to do to it. I am living right now. Although it makes a tiny bit of mess in there, I'm really hoping that's not gonna be a problem. Which you guys will see me live on Amazon and all the places showing off this bad boy. We'll be showing it off. And just like that, we have a sublimation printer. I don't know why that's so scary, but I was scared and I know everybody was scared and I got all this stuff ready to like save all these inks, and in reality, I didn't even have to do that. So Cosmos ink, any Epson Eco tank that comes with the empty tanks will get you the fastest way to become a sublimator. So if you like this video, make sure to click subscribe and the bell and all the things. And I'm Auntie Tay, and we just made a sublimation printer.